What has happened in BC Spirits? BC Spirits Cocktail of the Week number 2. I can't believe I made it this far. So why did I start doing Cocktails of the Week? I see a lot of my followers, they do some great cocktails, whether it be Close Enough Cocktails or a Second Shot or Apothecary. It's Apothecary, I can't remember what the total full handle is. There's a whole bunch of people that do some great cocktails that I usually repost on the Instagram, but I wanted to sort of showcase BC ingredients being made into classic cocktails. Now, I think this is always the hardest bridge to gap, is that people pick up a bottle of Esquimalt Rosso or Prospector Rye and they're like, well, how do I do it? Do I just mix it with ginger? And here's some classic recipes you can do at home, super simple, using BC ingredients. So this week, we're going to do a Manhattan, classic Manhattan. My proportions are like 2 to 1, so 2 parts rye, 1 part vermouth. So let's kick this off. We're going to do 2 parts of the Prospector Rye from Odd Society, 100% rye from BC, 1.5 ounces of that. Then we're going to rock out a 3/4 ounce pour of the Esquimalt Rosso, classic Rosso, what you'd use in a regular Manhattan. So you usually use your martinis, you put some S's, that sort of thing. Then some Kensington bitters from Bittered Sling. These are their sort of aromatic style bitters. We're going to do 2 solid dashes of that. Then what we're going to do is just give a quick ice up. Start giving this a stir. Again, with stirred drinks, you want chilled and dilution, and there's no rhyme or reason or which is the best way of doing this, because you sort of feel it. You feel the ice break down, you feel it starting to chill up, you still the dilution. We've got our little chilled cocktail glass here. I'm going to just dump that out. Now, normally wouldn't dump that in the ice well. It's not a bar right now, so I'm still waiting to get my sinks. I'll have a dump sink in the bar very shortly. It's a massive faux pas, which I just hate. It makes me cringe doing it. It's got a nice chill to it. The glass has got a nice chill to it. Give this a strain. Then, for Manhattan. Manhattan can have cherries. Manhattan can have orange. I like both. But it's one of these things that I'm sort of short of cherries this week, which is a damn shame. But I have got a fantastic navel orange. I'm going to trim up the twist here. It's a nice one. Going to give this a nice express over the glass. Drop that in. Put our coaster down. Here you go. This is an Odd Society Prospector Rye Manhattan using Esquimalt Rosso and the Kensington bitters from Bittered Sling. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Next week, I'm not sure what I'm going to do next week, but I've got something up my sleeve. I've got a couple of things up my sleeve next week, but we'll have to see. You'll have to come in and tune in again. Have a good week, guys. I'll see you next week. Bye.